Hi everyone, it's Alina from Microsoft here. Do you have an M365 personal and family subscription and want to unlock the power of Copilot? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to access Copilot in your M365 subscription so you can start using AI to boost your productivity across Word, Excel, and more. First, make sure you have an active M365 personal or family or even pro subscription. To make sure, go to account.microsoft.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. Under Services and Subscription, you can confirm that your plan includes M365, or you can upgrade directly from this page if you're not subscribed yet. Once your subscription is confirmed, open any M365 app like Word, Excel, or even PowerPoint. I'm going to open Word to make sure your app is updated and that we have the latest version. I'm going to go to File, Account, Office Updates, and then click Update Now. After you're updating, you can restart the app. You'll see the Copilot icon in the toolbar's top right corner. Now click the Copilot icon to use AI in any of our apps. You can start by using suggested prompts or typing your own. For example, in PowerPoint, I'm going to try one of the selected prompts just to get started. And you'll see Copilot will respond in real time, helping you work faster and smarter. And make sure your Microsoft 365 apps are updated. Finally, restart your device and try again. And that's it. You're now ready to use Copilot in your Microsoft 365 personal or family subscription. Let AI help you create, write, analyze like you have never been able to before. Stick around, there's still so much more to learn about Copilot. Like and subscribe today, and I'll see you in the next video.